Cheeseburger Crunch Wrap, better than Taco Bell. This classic cheeseburger wrap is so easy, stuffed with juicy and cheesy meat inside and wrapped in a crunchy tortilla. Plus, the bacon adds a delicious, smoky flavor to this dish. Take 5 bacon strips, put them on the foil, and bake for 12 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook the bacon on the pan also. Once the bacon is ready, set it aside. Chop the red onion finely. Slice the cheese. Chop the pickles. Let's cook the sauce in a medium bowl and mix it together. 4 tablespoons of mayo, 3 tablespoons of mustard, three tablespoons of hot sauce, sliced pickles, mix well and set aside. Season ground meat, I used pork, with salt, lemon ground pepper, and paprika. Feel free to use whatever kind of ground meat you prefer. Now I'm going to make patties using my hands. Put the patties in the skillet with olive oil and cook over high heat, about 5 minutes per each side. Once the other side is cooked, place 2 to 3 pieces of cheese on top and wait until melted. Set aside. Now we're going to caramelize our onion. Add olive oil to the skillet, place the onions, and cook 10 to 15 minutes over medium heat, stirring occasionally. To assemble your crunch wrap, take another skillet, add olive oil, and place the tortilla there. Once it is hot on both sides, spread the sauce. Top the sauce with a single burger patty. Add caramelized onion. Add a few slices of cheese. Place the cooked bacon. Fold one of the sides of the tortilla over and then keep folding the other sides over each other. Cook on both sides until golden brown. Continue this process for all wraps. Enjoy your homemade cheeseburger crunch wrap. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.